I'm Alex. Today I'm going to introduce to you some new best sub products. Look at these little wooden boxes here, and they are what I'm going to show you today, and they are made of pinewood material. Very high quality and durable, and also very perfect for storage. This one here in my hands can be used for many different storage purposes. It can be your jewelry box, your candy box, or a box to store some little stuff collections. And this one here is lower, but of course it can be your jewelry box, or you can use it to put your photos or some flat items such as some mark coasters. And this one here is a pencil holder, and you can print your family photo on it to make it a cute family photo frame. And last are two pencil boxes. This larger one comes with color pencils in 12 colors, and this smaller one has 8 colors. And I think these 3 boxes can be an adorable gift set for your kids. They will be very happy to receive their own pencil holder and pencil box. And for personalization, all the boxes here, they each has a printable sliding lid, which is made of the high board material. Very easy, very smooth to slide in and slide out, and also very easy to print. So next, let's see how to print it.